Hello, Ms. Aker. I just wanted to personally thank you for everything you've done for us. You have created a close-knit group and pushed us all out of our comfort zones. I probably wouldn't be doing this today if it wasn't for you. Thank you for going above and beyond and creating an environment that feels more like a family than a classroom.
Hi, Mrs. Anzano. I just wanted to say that we appreciate everything that you do for us. I know math isn't an easy subject to teach, so we thank you for your bravery.
Hi, Ms. Burton. Thank you so much for having me as your ed apprentice and your student. It was so fun and I learned a lot about life and being a good teacher and a good person. I'm sorry I didn't get to finish my ed apprenticeship, but you made senior year so much better. I'm going to miss you so much. Bye.
Thank you, Frau Combs, for always staying after school and being there for all of us when we need it.
Mr. Glassick, Mr. Glassick. Thank you for keeping our cross-country team safe and help strengthen the minds of our students to help them succeed.
Miss Harper, thank you for encouraging me to be more creative with my art and providing the opportunity to meet some of my best friends.
Mrs. Ryder, thank you for making a positive influence in my life and many others. Thank you for being a teacher.
Ms. Smith, thank you so much for everything you have taught countless students over your 25-year teaching career. Exeter Township is going to miss you so much next year. Thank you.
Hey, this is a shout out to Mrs. Shade for being the greatest teacher ever. I just want to personally thank you for joining the Chick-fil-A team. You've been a wonderful addition to our family, and I'm so sad that we weren't able to spend as much time together as we planned, but the time that we did share was amazing, and I'm so glad that you were able to join our team. Thank you for being who you are. Keep going. Yay. Hey there, this is for Mrs. Saraparu. Thank you so much for being such an influential teacher, especially in the sciences. Through your class, I was able to really figure out what I wanted to do in college, and because of you, I was able to learn so much about the environment and just knowing what to do. And thank you so much for your participation and encouragement for the recycling program. It was so great working with you and everyone in the E3 club, and just thank you for everything you do. Thank you.
I would like to thank Mr. Walsh for making calculus fun and his amazing Wolfram Facts of the Day. The first thing I do whenever I wake up is look on Schoology for today's new amazing and witty fact. Thank you, Mr. Walsh. I know everyone appreciates you.
Hi, Fid. Just wanted to thank you for always waking me up in the mornings with your bell ringers and telling me that I'm insane for taking AP Chem.
Hi, Mr. Lefevre. It's Chloe Cloran, and I wanted to thank you for being an awesome guidance counselor and for checking in on everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Rugg, for putting your heart and soul into everything that you do and always encouraging your kids to do the very best.